Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. This little vlog video, the first part is helping people, hopefully, that are thinking of starting YouTube or have just started a YouTube channel, wherever you are in the world, and you're worried about the haters, the trolls. My advice to you, don't worry about them. You're not a YouTuber until you've got trolls. That's a fact. And the one rule, and I proved it, I made a mistake 18 months ago. Do not fight back. That's what they want you to do. So you are feeding them your subscribers. That's all they're after. They don't care about you. They want to start a war, start a battle, talk crap about you, and then you start back at them. And they will carry on until you do. But the moment you do, you've lost. You've just sent them half of your subscribers to see what it's all about. They didn't need to know. So trolls, haters are good for your channel. They will send you subscribers, they will send you traffic all the time. And even if they send you haters and trolls, they are actually the best viewers, the best views for your channel. They will watch from start to end. They will skip back to make sure they never missed a bit. They're fantastic, providing you do not feed them oxygen. The moment you attack back, you've lost. You've given them what they wanted. So please do not be afraid or worried or bothered about trolls and haters. Embrace them. They are advertising you, they're advertising your channel, and everything's great until you fight back. People are on your channel to see what you do, what you're showing, not to see people fighting, raring and screaming. And if they are, they're not the subscribers you want. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's worth watching. But then after that, I'm going on to my stuff, what I do. And I'm going to have a quick chat about visas. So for those that want to see how to deal with trolls, watch this now. No, yes. Then please. No. No, yes. Then please. No. No, yes. Then please. No. Shit, that's so fucking weird. I'm rusty. Oh.
50,000 watts of fucking.
Won't you speak to me?
I have nothing to say.
Right, that's how you deal with trolls. Nothing, zero, let them get on with it. They will annoy you, they're hateful people, but they do love you because that you're giving them something to hate. So ignore them is the first thing you must do. The second thing you must do is nothing. You're doing good. Okay, we'll talk about quickly visas. I'm down on Bacco Beach at Narjom TM, having a rest, having a great, beautiful day, having a cold beer. So many people ask about visas, and YouTubers basically, we don't talk about visas in Thailand. If I do a video today about visas, the problem you've got, next week, next month, changed, visa obsolete. There's no point in it at all. The only advice that I can give you is to come here, come to Thailand and do your visa in Thailand. It cuts a lot of red tape in the UK, America, Australia. Lots of things you don't need, and everything from start to finish, bank accounts, everything can be done for you here within 3 weeks. You can come here on holiday with no intention of going back. Have your 30-day entry visa, get another 30 days. That would be the maximum. And your visa, retirement, whatever you want, can be done here. I have a visa guy, he's from the UK, he's been working immigration for years in the UK, he's been working with the government in the UK, and he has an office. I'm going to be having interviews with him and he will tell you, I can't, I'm not qualified. It's the laws in Thailand that change all the time, and he gets up-to-date notifications, he knows everything. So I will be seeing him later. We are arranging to meet up to do an interview with the guy, and he is the #1 in Pattaya, as far as I'm concerned, my opinion. He's English, Thai staff, he works for immigration. If you want to take a girlfriend back to England for a holiday, for a trip, he qualifies them first before you waste your money. And if he says no, she's not going to get back, believe me, that's it. You can go elsewhere, they say, yeah, no problem, give us half the money, we'll start the ball rolling. Maybe they know she's got no chance of being able to get back, but they'll still take it on. Paul will not take it on unless he's qualified them that everything's 100% to be able to take your girlfriend back, even on a holiday visa. That it's the most difficult thing to get here. So, questions about visas, why we don't do visa videos is because it changes all the time. It's pointless doing the video. It's obsolete within a week or a month, 2 months, it's finished. You have to take it down, it's no longer any good. Leave it to the visa agents. They will keep you up to date and help you. And again, better to come here, do it here. That's what I did. I came on a holiday, I'd rented an apartment already, and sorted it as soon as I got here and got my retirement visa, which I've had now coming 4 years. So don't worry about all that, and hopefully by next week we'll have done the interview with Paul with the proper agent that you need. Anyway, it's a short one. I'm enjoying myself. I don't know why I've got all these haters. I mean, I live here in Thailand, in Pattaya. I don't know what I've done to deserve people to hate me. It's not my fault. It's down to you what you want to do with your life, and it's not down to others. Remember that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Short and sweet. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, a like and a share. Come out. Come to Tobacco Beach. Beautiful beach. Great restaurants. Cold beers. And enjoy your life. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.